Octopus Energy, they just did something no major British power company has ever done in history. They launched their own home battery. And the most important one isn't for homeowners, it's actually for renters. I mean, guys, have you ever heard of this before? Being able to buy your own battery as a renter? It doesn't make sense. Well, it didn't until now, anyway. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. At its Energy Tech Summit in London on the 22nd of June this year, Octopus unveiled the Nook range, two batteries built for two completely different households. The headline product is the Nook Cube. It's a shoebox-sized 2 kilowatt hour battery that plugs straight into a standard wall socket. There is no electrician, no drilling, no landlord permission. You plug it in, you control it from the Octopus app, and you start storing electricity cheaply. This actually matters significantly. I mean, think about how many people rent worldwide. Really, literally billions of people rent homes. So they can't ever buy a battery. Well, in theory, but now they can. Britain has more than 10 million renting households, and almost every one of them has been locked out of the home battery market because every battery until now needed a wall, an installer, massive wiring integration, and a homeowner's signature. Octopus, they just deleted that barrier. Stack up to 5 cubes and you get 10.5 kilowatt hours of storage in a flat you don't even own. But the key here is this. You don't have to spend $1,000 getting it installed and then $1,000 removing it and then $1,000 installing it in your new house and get approval to do all that. For homeowners, there's the Nook Colossus, a wall-mounted engineer-installed unit starting at 5 or 10 kilowatt hours and stackable to a pretty decent 30 kilowatt hours. That puts it in the Tesla Powerwall category. Both batteries work, of course, with solar, both carry a 12-year warranty, and both ship with what Octopus calls intelligence built in. And this is the big difference here between Octopus and probably 90%, maybe even more than that, maybe 95% of the batteries that people buy, including my battery. The intelligence from Octopus is Octopus is essentially the Tesla of energy. This is the clever part. The battery automatically charges when grid prices are cheapest and discharges when they're most expensive. Tied directly to your Octopus tariff, no manual timers, no scripting charge windows yourself, having to work it out yourself. In my opinion, kind of sucks. I know people do this, but I can't be bothered. Too much work, too much stress. For most people, that automation is the difference between a battery that saves money and one that just sits there and doesn't do much. On the Electric Viking website, I'll put a link in the description below. We have more articles about electric cars and battery technology than any other website that I'm aware of in the world. So check that out. Link is in the description. And there you'll find our videos and analysis and articles about everything going on in the EV world. Now, the bit Octopus hasn't told us is pretty important. That's the price. There's no published numbers yet. What founder Greg Jackson did say is that the Cube will pay for itself in 2 to 3 years, even if you don't have any solar, just by arbitraging cheap grid power against expensive peak power. And he claims the Colossus will land about a third cheaper than the best known battery brands, meaning Tesla, a third cheaper. So you might be thinking to yourself, really, I can pay it off in that long? I mean, I can really pay it off in only 2 to 3 years. I don't know if I believe that. Well, here's the thing. Australia's electricity market, the technology behind that, running, say, Energy Australia, comes from Octopus Energy. Same thing for the United States, same thing for UK, same thing for Europe. Octopus Energy has the best AI when it comes to energy. And they know, they have the customers, they've got the database. So if they're telling you you can pay it off in 2 to 3 years, you can pay it off in 2 to 3 years, which means it's an absolute bargain. That return on investment, that payback period is unbelievable. But clearly they've done the numbers and worked out that's how long it'll take. So that 2 to 3 year payback applies to the Cube. Independent UK analysts estimate the Colossus, meaning the one for people who own a home, could cost around $5,900 to $7,300 US, which means the payback would take a little longer, but you'd be left with a much bigger battery, of course, at the end of it. There's an Australian angle here too, guys. Octopus Energy Group is 22.7% owned by Origin Energy, which is Australia's biggest energy utility. So while these launch in the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain in 2027, they might come to Australia as well. And well, I've tested, I think, 15 different batteries, home batteries. I've got my own home batteries as well. So Octopus Energy, please, I want to test them and send some to me. I want to see what these actually, how these work and what they're like. Here's the big picture. Octopus Energy says its smart tariffs have already saved customers $1.3 billion US. Battery demand has exploded as fossil fuel-driven energy prices stayed volatile and unpredictable. And now the company is handing ordinary people, including renters, a way to opt out of that volatility entirely and to save massive amounts of money. That's a big story. Home storage just stopped being a homeowner's luxury. It became something anyone with a power socket can use. And that should terrify every utility still betting on selling you expensive peak power. In other words, these things are going to turn themselves on in the evening, right? 5 to 10 p.m., something like that. And that's when the electricity companies make a lot of money out of you. Now, I should also point out that Octopus Energy are the first energy company in the world to get a car company to do vehicle to grid. So in the UK, you can actually get a BYD Dolphin and it's actually covered for vehicle to grid. And that happened because the founder of Octopus Energy, Greg Jackson, went to China and talked to engineers in China at BYD to actually make it happen. So these guys are the real deal. And I think massive change is going to happen as a result of this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And by the way, this is not a sponsored post. It's not sponsored at all. This is just, honestly, I think if more electricity companies were acting like Octopus Energy, it would be a completely different situation for Australians. We don't have Octopus Energy here in Australia, but hopefully one day they'll come to our market. Thanks for watching. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description.